Hello teachers, today we will be learning how to use filters in the question bank. So as you can see, I am on the home screen of Questt App. So now you would have to choose the class and subject for which you want to assign the homework. I would be going ahead with class 6 physics. I scroll rightwards and I see all the chapters present over here. For now, I go ahead with the chapter motion and measurement, the first one. I click on that. And under that there's two subhead, one is Questt and the other one is question bank. So the Questt has all the inbuilt quests present with us for this particular chapter, and the second question bank has all the questions which are available for this chapter. So let's say you want to segregate the questions or you want to apply filters so that you narrow down these 700 questions and then choose according to your own choice or your students' need. So to apply filters, you can see on the top of your screen there's a heading filters, and under that there are multiple things. So the first thing is to choose the publication. So if your school uses a particular publication, you can go ahead with that. For example, I choose exam idea for now. The second thing you see is on the top left corner, it's written concepts. So I click on concepts and I get a lot of concepts to choose from. So you can choose whatever concept you want to use today. So I click on motion and measurement and I click on the done button down there. After doing so, you can also select the difficulty level, and just below that there's a button called include subjective questions. So if you would like to include the subjective questions, you can choose that as well. So I just switch on the button of subjective questions so that I get those as well. After applying all the filters which you would like to apply, you have to click on the apply filter button colored in green just before create new question. So after I click on the apply filter button, you can see only 106 number of questions found. It means that I have narrowed down the number of questions here, and it would be easier for me to choose now, since all of these questions match the criteria which I want for my homework right now. So out of the questions which you have chosen, you can select this and add to the Questt. So teachers, it is as simple as that to use the filter button and create your own customized Questt for your students according to their own needs. Thank you.